A lot of people get confused that should they do CPA marketing or affiliate marketing, which one is easier, which requires less skills and budget, and which has the more earning potential. Don't worry, I will tell you everything in complete detail. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first difference between CPA marketing and affiliate marketing is that CPA stands for cost per action or cost per acquisition, where when someone performs a specific task, you get paid for it, you get the payouts and the commissions. You don't need to sell any product, but in case of affiliate marketing, you have to sell a product to get the payouts and the commissions. So this is the major difference between CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. The second difference between CPA marketing and affiliate marketing is the amount of budget you require to do CPA marketing is lot less as compared to the amount of budget you need to do affiliate marketing. But here's the catch: the amount of payout and the amount of commissions you will get on per basis, on per sale or per lead is lot less in CPA as compared to affiliate. Because in CPA you are not selling any product, but in affiliate you are going to sell the product. That's why the amount of payouts and commissions you are making in affiliate is lot more than the amount of commissions and payout you get in CPA. For example, you can see here is a CPA offer: LivePoint US desktop traffic is allowed, and it's a double opt-in offer. You can see here it's written lead converts on sign up plus email confirmation. Means when someone submits their information and goes to their Outlook or Gmail, then confirms their information, you get $3.75 on per lead. But here's the affiliate offer, that is the 12-minute affiliate system. It's a hot offer, and if someone makes a purchase of this product, then you get $183.28. So this is the major difference between CPA offers and affiliate offers. The payout is lot less in CPA as compared to affiliate. The third difference between CPA marketing and affiliate marketing is the amount of skills. The number of skills you need to do CPA marketing is lot less as compared to the amount of skills you need to do the affiliate marketing. Because in CPA marketing you are not going to make any sale of the products. That's why the number of skills required is a lot less, because here you don't have to make the email list, nurture the email list, build the community around the product so that you can make the sales in the future like you do in the affiliate marketing. You just need to make the landing page, set up the campaign, send the traffic, and if someone submits their information, you are going to get the commission. That's how simple CPA marketing is. So if you are a complete beginner, you don't have much experience, you don't have much budget, then in that case I would recommend you to start firstly with CPA marketing. Once you start getting conversions and you know how this business works actually, how you have to convert the customer, then you have to shift towards the affiliate marketing. The fourth difference between CPA marketing and affiliate marketing is that if you join any CPA network to do CPA marketing, then in that case you get a dedicated affiliate manager to whom you can ask which offers are good, which traffic source is good, which offers to promote on which traffic source. So all these type of small questions you can ask to them, and they will definitely answer you, which helps you in the long run. But if you join any affiliate network, then in that case you don't get any dedicated affiliate manager, so you don't have anyone to whom you can go and ask these type of questions. So this is the thing that should be noted. So the fifth and the last difference between CPA marketing and affiliate marketing, which confuses a lot of people, is the number of network. A lot of people get confused between that should just join a affiliate network or a CPA network. They think that in a affiliate network they also get the CPA offers, but that's not the case. If you want to do CPA marketing, then you have to specifically join a CPA network like Max Bounty, Toro Advertising, Affiliates, Argan Advertising. There are many more. But if you want to do affiliate marketing, then in that case you have to join an affiliate network. There you will get affiliate offers like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ShareASale. So CPA networks are different and affiliate networks are different. If you want to do affiliate marketing, join affiliate network, and if you want to do CPA marketing, then join a CPA network. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any doubt, you can ask them in the comment section below. Till then, bye bye, take care.